Welcome to another how-to video. This tutorial will be quick and easy, so make sure to watch the video until the end. Today our topic is all about how to change the color of your Outlook. You can do this in a few steps, so let's begin by opening the Outlook app. As you can see, mine is already open, so all you have to do is click the File tab, which is located at the top left of your screen, beside the Home tab. While we are in the File tab, click the Office Account tab located at the bottom left of the screen. In the Office Account tab, there is an Office Theme section where you can change the color of your Outlook. So click it to change the color theme. As you can see, you can change the color of them by gray, white, and dark. I chose white so that I can clearly see the text. And that's it. That's how to change the color of your Outlook. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.